The secrets that make the Three Gorges Dam nearly indestructible and the potential catastrophe if the dam were to rupture. The Three Gorges Dam has been a hot topic on the internet for a long time. Concerns about the possibility of the dam breaking are not new. Since the construction of the Three Gorges Dam began, it has been responsible for storing the massive floodwaters of the Yangtze River. Chinese military design experts have discussed the potential of an attack on the world's largest dam, considering the consequences of a breach. In this video, we explore the immense power of the Three Gorges Dam and the catastrophic consequences if it were to break. According to SCMP in 2004, the Pentagon suggested that in the event of war, Taiwan could target key mainland areas, including the Three Gorges Dam. However, Taiwan rejected this idea. In early 2018, Su Ziyun, a Taiwanese military expert, suggested that just 2 medium-range ballistic missiles could cause the dam to rupture. However, mainland design experts found this idea unlikely, emphasizing the dam's strength. With a height of 185 meters and constructed with 28 million tons of concrete and 510,000 tons of steel, the Three Gorges Dam is likened to a giant steel fortress. It is a gravity dam, meaning it primarily withstands water pressure based on the weight of the dam itself. The cross-section shape of the dam is trapezoidal, with a width of 15 meters at the top and a base thickness of 124 meters. This design makes it more like a mountain than a water barrier, ensuring that even if the top part were damaged, the main body of the dam would not collapse. Experts concluded that the Three Gorges Dam cannot be easily destroyed by conventional weapons, including missiles. Zhang Boding, the Deputy Secretary General of the Chinese Hydropower Engineering Society, stated that the dam is robust and capable of withstanding small-scale nuclear attacks. Numerous high-intensity mine simulation tests were conducted during the design and construction of the dam to assess its resilience. The consensus is that conventional weapons, including cruise missiles and ballistic missiles, may not be effective against the dam. Still, a nuclear bomb with an explosive force equivalent to 200,000 to 300,000 tons of TNT could potentially destroy it. In the event of a dam breach, the 39.13 billion cubic meters of stored water in the reservoir would flood the downstream area, affecting the lives of 400 to 600 million people, resulting in catastrophic consequences. The central concern regarding the dam's resilience is how it would cope with the threat of a large-scale nuclear attack. China, as a nuclear-armed nation, has the capability to defend the dam against such attacks from deep within its territory, approximately 1,000 kilometers away. The key to ensuring the dam's safety lies in China's defense system, which includes a strong military presence and advanced radar systems. The People's Liberation Army has deployed infantry and mechanized divisions around the dam, with missile defense radar lines covering a range of 20 to 70 kilometers. These radar systems, such as BRC-18, IRC-6, and BRC-15s, can detect various airborne objects, activating high-altitude anti-aircraft artillery and HQ-9 anti-aircraft missiles upon detection. In terms of air defense, China has stationed powerful fighter squadrons in strategic locations, forming a protective shield around the Three Gorges Dam. These include modern aircraft like the J-11A/B Su-27 and J-10 fighter jets ready for immediate deployment. Alongside the formidable mechanized forces, China has also deployed elite infantry divisions on standby 24/7 to protect the dam. The location is considered the most densely fortified area in the country, giving China confidence in minimizing the risk of artificial attacks. Additionally, international law strictly prohibits the destruction of water reservoirs that threaten civilian lives in times of war. Natural agents and tragedies occur when a dam is breached. Chinese people may confidently assert that the dam is absolutely safe. However, in the face of artificial threats, no one dares to claim that the dam is 100% safe from natural disasters. Alongside becoming a landmark in China's construction and energy industry, the Three Gorges Dam is a double-edged sword, a potential national disaster. If the dam were to rupture, the devastation would be unimaginable, exceeding human comprehension. The reality is that the Three Gorges Dam is influencing the local climate and geology. Geologically, a massive dam blocking the water flow upstream increases the sediment deposition in the reservoir, raising the risk of floods upstream. Sediment trapped upstream increases the downstream risk of erosion and mudslides, not to mention the altered flow of the Yangtze River in this region, impacting the local climate and temperature. Consequently, floods, droughts, or heavy rainfall become more frequent and unpredictable. The historic floods in 2021 and 2022 in the area are just the mildest effects of what the Three Gorges Dam has caused. The most terrifying risk comes from earthquakes, a horror the Chinese government never wants to face. Redirecting the flow of the Yangtze River to create a reservoir with a maximum capacity of 42 billion tons of water can potentially alter the Earth's inertial moment and extend the length of a day by 0.6 microseconds. Although this change is minuscule, its impact on the dam's region is enormous. While weapons may not destroy the dam structure, earthquakes could achieve that from beneath the ground, creating colossal tsunamis. In the event of a dam breach, tens of tons of water would rush downstream, wiping out the first target, the North Xiangxi Lake area, with an estimated 700,000 casualties. One-third of China's area, including prosperous regions like Wuhan, Shanghai, and Nanning, would be submerged. Many of China's historic landmarks and cultural sites, once proudly showcased internationally, would be destroyed. Small towns and rural areas would be submerged by 5 to 10 meters of floodwater, including industrial and artistic production centers, transportation hubs, and vulnerable areas for China. If the disaster occurs, the extensive damage would lead to a massive power supply loss, causing a cascading effect across China. The Three Gorges Dam, with an electricity output of up to 100 billion kilowatt-hours, serves as the primary power source for 10 out of China's 22 provinces. Without electricity, nearly all industrial and transportation activities in the region would grind to a halt, severely damaging China's economy, leading to crises, epidemics, economic downturns, unemployment, and environmental pollution. These would be the challenges that China must face after addressing the flood issue. You've just watched a secret video detailing why the Three Gorges Dam is nearly indestructible and the potential disasters if the dam were to rupture. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, leave a comment below. For now, goodbye and see you next time.